So today we're going to talk about the Shroud Headlamp adapter. It can be used with any of our helmets that have a shroud and that mounting section. So if you have any questions, just stand by, watch the video, and hopefully it helps you out. Take our W up, set the tab at the bottom inside the mounting bracket, depress this front section, lock that into play, verify it's secure. And by doing so, we now have this little slit on the back which allows us to take any band-mounted light and run it through, and that secures the light into place, which prevents it from rolling up or rolling down. And it's gonna look something like this picture right here. We hope this video helps you to install your headlamp shroud adapter.